Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. It is so weird to say that. I haven't done YouTube videos in years now, but I'm really excited to be doing YouTube videos now for like crochet content. Some of you have no idea who I am. I am Mallory and I'm the owner of Saucy Puffin Crafts. I used to be on YouTube doing makeup tutorials and vlogs and different things like that. So some of you may know me from previous channels, but this channel is all crochet and small business related content. So this is the kind of stuff that I do now. Today I'm actually going to be doing kind of a vlog, I guess you could say. I am working on some felt eyes for my plushies. So this is what they kind of look like. They're super, super cute. I am having a felt eye launch tomorrow as well as a safety eye backing launch. So that is what I'm working on. I'm getting everything all cut out and organized. I need to get all my pictures done, all of my listings worked on, but I need to clean up the mess in here. Like it is bad. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm looking at because oh my god, it's so embarrassing. So yeah, before I do anything, I need to clean this because wow, like my garbage can is literally overflowing. So I need to clean up all of this first. And you can see there in my Cricut, I am cutting out some backings for eyes right now. And then I'm going to get all of that all packaged up and ready to go. But let's get this mess cleaned up. Okay, that is kind of as good as it's going to get right now. At least the floor is mostly clean. I mean, that's good. I have some packages there just piling up that need to be shipped out. My desk is still a mess because I need to finish getting all of these pieces cut right now. And I'm also going to have to organize that at some point. But yeah, I'm going to get these finished for now. These are all of the new backings releasing tomorrow for safety eyes. They're so pretty. All right, let's do this. Okay guys, so it's the next day, which is why I look different. And I have been running around all day trying to get everything ready for my felt eye launch. And I'm about to launch everything right now. I'm really excited, kind of nervous, but it's 6:29. Everything is launching at 6:30. I always get so nervous for these launches. Just checking Instagram. Okay, it's 6:30. Oh my god. Okay, I'm so nervous. Let's do this. Edit. Publish. Publish. Okay. Everything is active. Okay. Whew. I really hope I didn't make any mistakes in the listings. That always makes me nervous. It's so much work doing all the pictures and okay. Everything is live. I'm all ready to go out because after this, I actually have a dinner reservation for 7 o'clock. It's 6:30 now, so I'm gonna have to leave shortly. But I think everything is up and running. I should just double check everything. This is like the most nervous I've ever been for a launch. I don't know why. That was so fast. Oh my god, okay. So that was the first order from Brandy. She got 2 sets of eyes, some spring eyes and some of the mint eyes. Damn, Brandy, you were quick. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god. I'm sorry, I literally can't say anything besides oh my god. I'm like shaking. I feel like I'm gonna cry. Don't cry. I'm literally shaking. Oh my god. Who is this? Guys. I can't even count how many orders that was just then. Brandy with 2 things. Oh my god. Someone else got backing. Someone else ordered 3. No, 4. Someone ordered 7. 11, 12, 13. Someone ordered 13 different eyes. 13 packs. Oh my, I'm shaking. Oh my god, that was crazy. Is anything sold out? No, not yet. Some things are like just a couple left. Oh my god, like the spring eyes, there's 2 sets left. The alien eyes, there's 2 sets left. This is crazy, you guys. Most of the spring ones are like just about sold out. For a second I was like, am I recording? Oh god. So many people are ordering the backings. I'm excited because I wasn't sure if this is something people would want. So these are backings for safety eyes. And there's 4 different holographic colors because I like switching out the backings so that I have like a different look. I don't think I have any here on display right now, but a lot of people are ordering those, so that's really exciting. I really like making them too. I have a bunch of ideas. Oh my god. This is crazy. Guys, I'm shaking. I always get so nervous for launches because I never know. I don't know. I've had launches in the past where things don't sell. Obviously, like when you're newer, you never know. You don't have like that client base yet or that customer base. But I'm shocked that this many sold in the first Literally in 5 minutes. How many things? $37 things sold in 5 minutes. It might have even been 4 minutes. I wasn't even keeping track. Whew, okay. Is anything out of stock? Holy crap. Okay. Not yet. There's like a couple with 1 or 2 left. Everyone's like commenting on Instagram. I got mine. I'm like short of breath here. And now I have to go to dinner and I'm like all frazzled. I don't know. But yeah, so. Oh my God. Still. What was that one for? Oh my God. That was for. That was for another 6 things. What is my life? What is my life? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. So you guys, this is behind the scenes of when you buy from a small business, there's someone sitting there on the other side of that computer seeing that order come in, and it's so exciting. Like, that doesn't happen when you buy from like these big retailers. Like, this is crazy for me. I can't even explain this feeling. It's like, it's crazy. I don't know. I just can't believe this is my life. I can't believe I get to do this and I don't have to work at a job that I hate anymore. Like, I'm doing something that I love. If I keep talking about this, I'm gonna cry. Okay. God, they're still coming. Holy crap. Okay, I think the spring eyes are sold out. Oh my God. A couple things are already sold out. Everyone's sending me messages on Instagram like, I got mine, I'm so excited. I can't believe how many people are like trying to get things. I need to breathe, I need to breathe. I have some exciting things coming with eyes. So for anyone who's into felt eyes, I'm going to be doing something really exciting the next month. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that. It's something that was kind of requested, but yeah, exciting things coming. Oh my God, okay. I need to get ready and leave my house. All right, guys, I'm going to take a break. This is crazy. Okay. I'm going to take a break from this and I'll check later to see how many sets are left, if anything else is sold out. But I need to go to dinner. Yeah, this is like, I know I keep saying this is crazy, but this is really exciting because I had a really slow month in February and this is going to make a huge difference for me. So, yay for being able to buy groceries. So this is the next day, you guys. I am blown away. I can't believe how many orders you guys put in. I can't even believe it. And like how many people were placing more than one order. Like it's just, I don't know, this is crazy. So I'm about to bring all of this to the post office. I need to put it in this giant bag. Okay, it is a different day again because I'm still trying to get into the swing of things and doing videos again. The last few days have been really busy for me getting orders packed up, shipped out. I've been working on a lot of new eyes, so I just wanted to show you guys these new cows that I made. So these are new little fruit cows. And these are both featuring the brand new eyes. These are the cotton candy eyes. So I am going to get these posted, I don't know what day exactly, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Yeah, I'm excited about those. I'm getting ready for the felt dye launch, which is happening on April 1st. I have a bunch of new designs in the works. And it's actually my birthday tomorrow, March 27th. So I'm trying to get as much done today as I can so that I can actually try to enjoy my day a little bit tomorrow and maybe not work so much, because I literally work every single day. No complaints. It definitely doesn't feel like work to me because I love what I do, but I work a lot. So my next video is probably going to be some sort of crochet with me, or see how much I can crochet in a day or something along those lines. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss that. I did just want to say thank you guys again so much. If you are watching this and you purchased from me for my eye drop, thank you so much. And if you have ever purchased one of my crochet patterns or my plushies, again, thank you guys. I would love for you guys to leave some comments down below. What videos do you want to see on this channel? I know you guys want to see a craft room tour. I will try to get this room straightened out to do that. But other than that, you guys feel free to leave me your suggestions down below. I will have a look through. And yeah, we'll come up with some fun content for this channel. Thank you guys again. I'm gonna go and crochet for the rest of the day and get a couple orders packed. I hope you guys have a really great day, and I will see you in the next video.